भाई ये तो एक इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया. We are talking about, you can see these coins being engraved. What you can see is a raja. ये स्ट्रक्चर किस चीज का लग रहा है, किसका लग रहा है? देखो देखो इसका वुमेन का लग रहा है. ये लिच्छवी की रानी है. एंड दिस इज चंद्रगुप्त. एंड दिस इज द किंग ऑफ गुप्ता. दिस थिंग, one thing, this is Chandragupta 1 and Chandragupta 2. Chandragupta Maurya is different. I repeat, Chandragupta Maurya is Mauryan king, and these Chandragupta are Gupta king, whose origin is Vaishyas, who are the feudatories of whom? Kushanas. Kushanas are foreigners. मैं लिखवाऊंगा, डोंट वरी. ठीक है, ये लिखूंगा. बस मैंने अभी हाइलाइट्स लिखवाएं. व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस lesson plan? Why so many questions every second year? Kalidasa is being asked, Varamihira is asked, Sanskritic literature is asked. Ajanta तो favorite है UPSC का. Ajanta was built during this time periods onwards from Vakatakas, who are contemporaries of whom? Guptas. Vakatakas and Guptas had matrimonial relations. Vakataka queen से शादी किसने की थी? Gupta kings ने. We'll understand that also. We'll read that also. This is the king. This is the picture of Lichvi's queen. As Akbar also got married to Jodha. Jodha was a Hindu queen or princess, and Akbar was a Muslim. What was the reason for the marriage? Diplomatic, political. Apart from love angle, you are getting my point? Yes, he was a Rajput princess, Kachawa princess. Kachawa एक वो थी वहां पर. Why is this? Because of मच्छर. Okay, yeah. Diplomatic and political circumstances. Yes, Pooja is very right. So, the same way, Guptas also married to Lichvi. Lichvi is Nepal, and that's why he engraved the queen's this thing on the coins. We'll write that also, and this is the king. So these are coins starting from Chandragupta, Samudragupta, Chandragupta Vikramaditya, and Kumaragupta. There are so many things happening in this time period apart from what I have made you write. This is called the classical age of Indian literature. Why? This is the time period of political unification of Hindu ruler. Why? This is the time period where Hinduism started reinventing itself. Why? This is the time period where we see Hindu temples being built along with paintings of. इसमें किसकी पेंटिंग्स हैं? Only Buddhist paintings are there. Ajanta is having only Buddhist paintings, and Ellora is also having paintings of Varaha. We also added so one by one. Let's understand. As far as political unification is concerned, nowhere we see a Hindu ruler before this had a big empire like this from east to west. As I said, they were the feudatories. What is feudatories? Governors, you can say, governors under these rulers. So these people expanded themselves and made a pan-Indian empire. They were Hindus, Vaishyas or Hindus, part of Hindus. They expanded the empire materially. They, as far as literature is concerned, this is a time period where we see Indian Hindu literature came up as a Sanskritic literature. There were a lot of Puranas, Vayu Puran, Vishnu Puran, which was written in Sanskrit. So it was a classical age of Indian Sanskritic literature. That's why historians call it a classical age of Indian Hinduism or Hinduism. Because Puranas were written, Vishnu, the cult of Shakti. And what is also happening in Jainism side in this period? Buddhism, Jainism का क्या हो रहा है इस टाइम पे? Buddhism, Jainism क्या कर रहे हैं 3rd century में? मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है. Jainism में there are two sects that are being divided.
the also there was the giving grace ideas, but during this time things have been started being statement market based to ideas as to encourage their
Yeah. Shall we write? Kuch likhe? After the fall of Mauryan Empire, after the fall of Mauryan Empire, Kushanas in north and Satavahanas in Deccan emerged as the two major political powers. Around next paragraph, sir. Around the last decade of 3rd century AD or CE, this time period, a new empire arose on the ruins of Kushana Empire. Ruins, R-U-I-N-S. On the ruins of the Kushana Empire. This was the Gupta Empire, which kept North Indian polity, which kept North India politically united for more than a century. For more than a century. The Guptas are believed to be feudatories of Kushanas. Feudatories of Kushanas. They are most likely Vaishyas in origin. This is 100 years after Guptas came into being. What do you see? Guptas had matrimonial relations with Lichvi, जिसका तुमने पिक्चर देखा था. The queen was engraved in gold coins. What does that signify? Importance, diplomatic, political importance. And they also had contemporaries who were Vakatakas, and these people were having matrimonial relations with Vakataka queens also. Then we have Ajanta caves somewhere around here, which was made by whom? Vakatakas. South we have Pallavas and Kadambas. So Vakatakas are having matrimonial relations with Kadambas also. Tino contemporary hai, guys. Please understand this fact that Yaudheyas, Guptas, Vakatkas and Kadambas and Pallavas are contemporaries. And I am talking about this time. इसको भी लिख लो. ठीक है, इसको मैप में लिख लो, मैप में बना लो ये टाइम पीरियड करके. जस्ट ड्रॉ मैप, जस्ट राइट ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड जस्ट पुट हियर अजंता. दिस इज वल्लभी. हाँ, क्या क्या लिखना है? ये लिखना है, 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 ये लिखना है. 5 चीजें लिखनी है बस. Bigger maps, guys, bigger maps. Yeah. एक बार Wallaby means what? Yeah. This also. It's a port. दिख रहा है ना? हाँ ठीक है, थोड़ा बड़ा ही बनेगा तो चलेगा। हाँ ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम गाइस, इट्स फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि लिखते लिखते गूगल ना करना चाहो तो यू कैन राइट दिस। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस प्लीज राइट प्रयागा और विदिशा। Kanchipuram is the capital of Pallavas this time period. ठीक है, ओके। Sri Gupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty. SRI, Sri Gupta is the founder of Gupta dynasty. Next to Sri Gupta is Chandragupta I. Next to Sri Gupta is Chandragupta I. Guys, यार ये पूरा खुल नहीं रहा है। Sri Gupta, founder, then we have Chandragupta. The time period is this. Before this, we have Ghatotkacha. You want to write, you can write. Then we have Samudragupta. ये टाइम पीरियड लिख लो इनके, सब टाइम पीरियड लिखो अभी। I don't know why it's not. No, it's not happening. चलो खैर कोई बात नहीं, चलो प्रॉब्लम आपकी उसमें आ जाएगी। The point was to tell you that what is the time period of these people. You see, we had around 290 AD this thing. Then we had Ghatotkacha. Then we had Chandragupta I. Then we have Samudragupta, the Napoleon of India. And after that, we have Chandragupta Vikramaditya. इसको मैं लिखवाऊंगा, डोंट वरी, बस इसको एक बार पॉइंट्स में लिख लो, ठीक है। Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. We'll write everyone in details now. ठीक है, चलो Chandragupta I. First important king of Gupta dynasty. His empire included Bihar, UP, Uttar Pradesh, and Bengal. And capital was Patliputra, modern day Patna. And capital was Patliputra. He enhanced his power and prestige by marrying Lichvi. He enhanced his power and prestige by marrying Kumara Devi, princess of Lichvi clan. Kumara Devi. Kumara Devi. Kumara Devi of Lichvi clan of Nepal. Coins were stuck in joint in the joint names of the emperor. Coins were stuck in the joint names of emperor, his queen, and the Lichvi nation, thereby acknowledging this marital alliance. By acknowledging thereby this matrimonial alliance. Okay, so that's what I was trying to show you. That's how we come to know that अच्छा ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. ठीक है. Next in the line is Samudragupta. Samudragupta, son of the time period is 335 to 330 375 335 to 375 AD, son of Chandragupta I, who followed policy of war, and conquest. His rule was one of expansion marked first marked 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 first by the conquest of his immediate neighbors, and then by campaigns to the east and the south, and by campaigns to the east and the south. He was also called as the Napoleon of India. Next, his court at Ujjain, had nine famous scholars called Navratnas. First, important लिखा हुआ है कालिदास. कालिदास इसकी बुक्स लिखो. अभिज्ञान शाकुंतलम और अभिज्ञात शाकुंतलम स्पेल कर देता हूं ABHIJANANA. अभिज्ञान शाकुंतलम, मालविका अग्निमित्रम, हाँ, मालविका एक लड़की और अग्निमित्रम, विक्रमो उर्वशी, विक्रम और उर्वशी की लव स्टोरी, उर्वशी यम, वाई एन एन नहीं है, एन। अब देखो भाई, अब आपकी उम्र है, जवान हो आप लोग, ये भी जवान थे, दिस इज कालिदास। So where do we get the information of all these things? Written in Sanskrit, basically quote poems. गरीब आदमी की कोई सुनवाई नहीं है। जैसे कौन सी बुक है वो, नोटबुक है वो, कौन सी भी किताब है वो, लव स्टोरी, नोटबुक पढ़ी तुमने? It's a love story written by some. So there's a famous this thing. So Vikram is a Vikram and Urvashi had a, Urvashi is a Apsara. Here Shakuntala and a quote this thing. So there's a love story. There is Malvika and Agnimitra of Shunga dynasty. So there is a love story. These are the love stories which are Mahakavya of Sanskrit literature. Why? Because see, we are not concerned with the love affairs. We are concerned with the historical facts they give. You guys must be interested in love stories, but the point is, you see, नहीं, एक उम्र होती है, हमने भी बहुत लव स्टोरीज देखी है ना? इन माय टाइम देयर यूज्ड टू बी दैट कौन सी है वो, ब्रेकिंग डाउन, क्या था, व्हाट इज, नॉट ब्रेकिंग बैड, टॉयलेट। हाँ, व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज गर्ल्स यूज्ड टू टेक मी टू टॉयलेट। मैं कहा चलो भाई, फिर मुफ्त में मूवी देखने को मिल रही है। मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आई, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दीस पीपल आर आफ्टर दिस गर्ल। मैंने कहा बट आई लाइक इट, लाइक आई सॉ ब्रेकिंग डाउन, आई थिंक थर्ड पार्ट और सेकंड पार्ट। I could not see the first part, so I did not understand कि हो क्या रहा है, ये दोनों इसके पीछे क्यों, but it was ठीक है। First part was good. क्या तो जो ड्रैगन होता है, क्या होता है, he's a dragon, sorry, vampire। इंडिया वाले उसका सस्ता वर्जन बना देते हैं, कुछ हिंदी सीरियल ना, there is हिंदी सीरियल also, so ये सस्ते vampire। Even though I तो like that movie Tenet, Tenet is हाँ, थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा। Even Inception I like. So you know now like I'm more into like investigative journalism and Sherlock Holmes. Now earlier I used to watch those. Hound of Baskerville. पढ़ी आपने? What is that hound? It shows कि वो तो नशे, सस्ता नशा करता है ना वो, क्योंकि that's why there is another very famous this thing, this Speckled Band, उसको भी पढ़ देखना, बहुत अच्छा है, Speckled Band। Then like I've read almost every Sherlock Holmes I think, हाँ 2 बार 3 बार रिवीजन भी कर दिया उसको मैंने। So but time है। So coming back to this, so these are what do you call it, Sanskrit literature. Okay, so then we have, and you know Kalidasa, there are, apart from Kalidasa there are so many poets and writers, like Mudra Rakshas इसी टाइम पे लिखी गई है। It is written about Mauryas, but it is written in this time period. You getting the point? Yeah. In this time period it is written, but it is written about Mauryas. Again, then we have next, लिखो Amar Simha. Amar Simha is a Sanskrit poet and he writes Amar Kosha. He writes Amar Kosha is a vocabulary of Sanskrit roots. It's a vocabulary of Sanskrit roots and synonyms. Then we have, again दूसरी लाइन में लिखो, वाराह मिहिरा. Vara Mihira, he is also contemporary. Vara Mihira is a mathematician, astrologer. ये पूछा हुआ था यार यूपीएससी ने. हाँ हाँ एक बार. You see, तुमने लियोनार्डो डा विंची का नाम सुना है? लियोनार्डो डा विंची. लियोनार्डो कौन था? अरे यार वो तो लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो है यार. अरे यार डा विंची, तुमने वो नहीं देखी लाफिंग, वो जो लास्ट सपर और मोनालिसा. मोनालिसा जो पेंटिंग है वो लियोनार्डो डा विंची ने बनाई है. समझ गए? So you see, at that point of time, people used to be poets, mathematicians together, astrologers, सब कुछ थे वो. Made Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say, na. So in this time period, Vara Mihira was a mathematician as well as an astrologer. He wrote Panch Siddhantikas. So Panch Siddhantika is a treatise of mathematical astronomy. Treatise of mathematical astronomy. Panch Siddhantika. Panch Siddhant से याद रखना. Which is a compendium of Vedanga Jyotisha. Which is a compendium of Vedanga Jyotisha. एस्ट्रोलॉजर का क्या मतलब होता है? जो भविष्य बता सके. ज्योतिषम नहीं, ज्योतिषा. JYOTISHA. And summarizes 5 earlier astronomical treatises. 5 earlier astronomical treatises, namely the Surya Siddhanta, Romaka Siddhanta, Romak ROMAKA, Paulisha Siddhanta, विशिष्ट सिद्धांत, and Pitamaha, PAITMAHA, Pitamaha Siddhanta. कॉमा बृहत संहिता, So you see, so these are the compilation of he was the one who gave the theory कि उसके सूर्य के आसपास सारे the sun, the planets revolve around the sun. So, but he was negated by everybody. He gave the theory that the sun is the one which is standing, which is like still, and the planets are revolving around the sun. But he was negated. So, compilation of wide range of topics such as planetary movements, wide ranging topics such as planetary movements, astrology, rainfall, architecture, growth of crops. So it talks about all those things. Then we have another scholar, or is Dhanvantari. Dhanvantari. He is a physician, also considered as the father of Ayurveda. ठीक है, ये याद रखना. Dhanvantari is called as the father of Ayurveda. Okay, so then we have another king called Kumar Gupta. One. I've written only important ones, and ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, ये भी रखने में दिक्कत हो जाएगी. But please go through them again and again, because UPSC is asking. Kalidasa was a contemporary of which ruler? पीछे मत देखना. Sorry? He is a contemporary of which king? चंद्रगुप्त विक्रमादित्य. ठीक है, तो उसके साथी तो हुआ. You're getting my point? And they had given Chandragupta Maurya in the options. मैं भी दिखाऊंगा तुमको, तो इसलिए मैंने लिखवाया. उन्होंने दांडिन भी दिया है, धन्वंतरी भी दिया हुआ है. They have asked about Varamihira also. They have asked about Milendra, as I said. They have asked about परिशिष्ट पर्वन. क्या है परिशिष्ट पर्वन? कल ही बताया था. And what is it all about? Which religion? ठीक है. और एक उसमें उन्होंने ऐसे लिख रखा है. I'll show you to the question, like type of question. And one more. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then they have given match the following in 2022 question paper. ठीक है. So something like that. So they are saying Kalidasa was a contemporary of Chandragupta Maurya, which is wrong. He was a contemporary of Chandragupta II, which is Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Milind Panno is written by Nagasena. Nagarjuna is a contemporary of Nagasena, but Nagarjuna is not the one who is written. Yes. Parishishta Parvan is written by Okay. Now they have also written about Shushruth. अब Shushruth कौन है ये बताओ?
doctor.
He's a doctor. He's a surgeon. So इसके बारे में मैं बताऊंगा, ठीक है? So that's what they are writing. अब तुम उसको नहीं कर रहे हो तो 1 मार्क्स तो ये मुफ्त का ही है. एक लेक्चर से 2-3 क्वेश्चन भी आ गए बहुत है. Okay, Kumaragupta. Time period is 415-455 CE. Adopted the title of Shankaraditya. SHAKRADITYA. यार थोड़ी देर AC बंद कर दो यार, ठंडा लग रहा है मुझे. Adopted the title of Shakaraditya and Mahindraditya. Yes, he was a surgeon. So they have asked about Shushut Samhita also. And performed Ashwamedh sacrifice. What is Ashwamedh sacrifice?
Sending horse to other kingdom. They know that they have been surrendered to them. They want to fight it.
Next, Liko founded the Nalanda University. Where is Nalanda University? Patna. He was a worshipper of Lord Kartikeya. Kartikeya कौन है? Son of Shiva. During the last years of his reign, peace was disturbed on the northwest frontier. Peace was disturbed due to invasion of Huns, Huns or Hunas. From northeast part, from where Hunas invaded. Hunas or Huns invaded here. These people negated this part here. These people are very much because this is high producing area, no? Taxes are more. Though we had, at this point of time, we had good relations, but external trade was not taking place. Internal trade was very much going on. Okay, which ultimately led to the decline also. Okay, of Central Asia. Hunas are from Central Asia. Okay. Okay. Since UPSC is asking this question, the first attack during his reign whose attack? Hun attack was repulsed by Prince Skandagupta. Repulsed by King Skandagupta. There was a question in UPSC when Mongols attacked Delhi Sultanate, who was the ruler? UPSC ने पूछा हुआ है, पूछा when Mongols entered the northwest frontier first time, who was the ruler? They have given Alauddin and stuff. Which, we'll be discussing those things because what is the problem you guys are having? Understanding the facts. Because you have not read it thoroughly. Even if you have read it, you have not revised it. ये तो problem आ रहा है. In general, what is the problem of people? You think why don't they like ancient and medieval? Why do they like modern more than ancient and medieval? As you said, facts. Typical names, chronology. ये तो प्रॉब्लम है. Every continuity and change. That's what I was focusing on. That Hinduism was very much prevalent in when Buddhism came into being. Then gradually what happened was Hinduism started reinventing itself. How? You saw it. In this time period, we do see that Hindu texts or Sanskrit texts are coming, and new gods are also coming. These are the new gods. Who is this Varaha? He is kind of a tribal deity, we can say that. So we have people, Hinduism started reinventing itself. We have certain cults coming up. Vaishnava cult, Shaiva cult. These are part of Bhakti. Durga. Ab, you tell me, the tribals also associate with them. Tribals are who? The ST, if I may use the term. Vishnu is said to be OBC. OBC to me Yadavasko. So OBC or the people who are scheduled caste are also associating with Vishnu. So there we have the same thing which was happening with Buddhism. Buddhism targeted which section of people? Vaishyas, Shudras, tribals, Chandalas and stuff. But now this cult of Varaha, this cult of Shiva, this cult of Durga are also taking that back. So there is an inherent tussle between, and mind you, Vakatakas को ने किसको प्रमोट किया? अजंता को. अजंता तो बुद्धिस्ट केव्स है. And Vakatakas are Brahmins. There is a political inclination also, because they will not afford to disrespect those Buddhist monks. Word of mouth तो चाहिए ना भाई. But at the same time, Hinduism is also reinventing itself. Look at this. Look at these architectures. These are part of Nagara form of architecture. You're getting my point? Okay.